Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO 9 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First we need to open the settings on our watch, and to do it press the upper button to scroll through the menu and keep pressing it until you find the settings icon. And once you find the settings icon, you can tap on it or press the middle button to enter. In settings, scroll down, or rather enter the general option, my bad, by tapping it or by pressing the middle button. Then scroll down, find the power saving option. Once you find it and select it, you can tap on the switch to enable it, or you can press the middle button to enable it. And after you enable the mode, you can then go back by swiping right on the screen like that. And now the power saving mode is enabled. And if you want to disable the mode, go back to the settings, general, select the power saving, tap on the switch or press the middle button to disable it. And then you can swipe right on the screen to go back. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.